Here we are with day 3. Things went pretty well. As I showed, we've got all the front end stuff off. So I went ahead, mocked up the radiator, hooked it up, bled it off a bit, put the intake back on there, and we're gonna check and see how healthy this thing is. Already sourced new airbags, so that's not gonna be a problem. There we are. Started up and running smooth. Car's only got somewhere around 80,000 miles on it, so it's still relatively low miles. Not hearing any sort of a piston tap or anything like that, so DOD seems like it should still be intact, which is always a good thing. So this is definitely a huge improvement. Right now my number one goal is just to get the car back to a running, driving state where it's all in one piece, because it's an out-of-state car, so I have to get certified in the state of Kentucky. So going to be working towards that goal. Once I get the front end put back together, get it running and driving enough, we're going to get it certified and transferred over to the state of Kentucky, and at that point then we can start having some real fun. It's going to get all sorts of performance parts. Everything from the old car is going to be working its way into the new car. We've got a rear end for it, transmission, cam, air intake, full exhaust, upgraded suspension. All that's going to be coming over here. And I've also got some interior upgrades that I'm going to be doing to make this car nice and comfy. So appreciate everybody watching. Stay tuned, and we're going to keep hammering away at it. Day 3 is definitely a success and a good day. Gonna start doing some individual videos on breakdown of the other car just for reference. So if you want to know anything about how to break down the front end of a Caprice, and it should also translate to a G8 or an SS, just keep an eye on the channel. More to come.